Ngabana mũhagũre Kawira Mwangaza agacirithio nĩ Senate yothe kĩng'ang'a-inĩ thutha wa maseneta kũregana na rĩendekithia rĩa kũmũcirithia mbere ya maseneta 11.
Ndereti-inĩ ĩrĩa yendekithirio nĩ seneta wa Narok Ledama Olekina, maseneta Azimio mekwendaga Kawira acirithio nĩ kamĩtĩ ya Senate. Ĩndĩ maseneta othe ya Kenya Kwanza nao maregana na rĩendekithia rĩrĩ, o tiga tu seneta wa kaunti ya Kiambu Karungo Thang'wa.
Process very well. I'm pleading with you that we go the committee way. Trust distinguished men and women who represent counties and who represent the Senate of the Republic of Kenya to go through the documentation, come back and tell us, colleagues, distinguished senators, this is what we have found.
Let's go the route of a committee that will enable us to be able to interrogate the facts, to interview witnesses. Senator Khalwale will bear me witness that the last time we were in this committee, similar committee, Mr. Speaker, the witnesses would take oath there and you would subject them to cross-examination. And the people who have experience with the plenary, Senator Ledama, unless he was misleading me, has told me of a different story when it comes to plenary. You will not be able to do the sort of cross-examination that you would get opportunity to do in committee.
Time the governor was brought here, we appointed a committee. Mr. Speaker, they say only a fool does something the same way and expect different results. And Mr. Speaker, because for the first time we followed the committee way and this is the same governor, I think, Mr. Speaker, it would only be fair that this time round we try a plenary, Mr. Speaker.
Whoever put my name on this motion to be a member of the 11-member committee has a lot of confidence in me. Because, Mr. Speaker, I really was part of that committee previously. Maybe probably I bring institutional memory, and probably I know a thing or two. And that's why I'm standing here, Mr. Speaker, to support this motion, Mr. Speaker.
As many as of that opinion say aye. Aye. Will as many of the contrary opinion say nay? Nay. The nays have it.